I'm on my way to my friend's house to pick up my clocks, and I stopped in Rogersville at the antique store. I got another video out there talking about the store. But anyway, there's a couple of things I want to mention. First is this cabinet right here, which is beautiful. It's made in Okinawa. They want $300 for it. A two-piece cabinet. If only I had the room in my house. It's a cool bird cage right here. But not as cool as the bird cage I'm fixing to show you. Now look at this. This thing is extremely heavy. It probably weighs 30 pounds. And look at this price. That's a very good price for that bird cage. Currently it has plants in it, but you could take all those plants out and this door functions. Really cool bird cage. If only I had birds. There's an artist in this area that made a bunch of sculptures and stuff. I don't know if this is the same artist. But this thing is pretty cool. It's flat metal. One decent clock, Seth Thomas, $125. It says it works. I know it's ticking away. Let me turn it around so you see the movement. Cool little back cover on it. Ticking away. The gong is flat, which is unusual, but it's still pretty cool. So because I have to wait on my buddy, I'm on Marketplace. Remember that bird cage I was just looking at for $48? $500. Exact same kind. And let me show you something. Now granted, I don't know where they're getting this, whether this is asking prices, but they provided two different ones where they're over $3,000. Okay, the one that I was just looking at is a little bit different, as it doesn't have all those ornaments on top, but it looks pretty dang close to it. I'll have to look at my video again. Maybe I should go back and buy it.